Okay, hi. Assalamualaikum. Today I look a little bit weird, but it's okay. So I'm gonna do vocabulary. We are going to do vocabulary today. So I will try to um, pronounce the word and also give you some of the definition of the words. Okay. So let's start. Okay. So first one. Before I forgot. This is taken from textbook Full Plus Plus, page 100. Okay, unit 7. So vocabulary. Question A. Sorry. Match the collective nouns on the left to the animal they apply to on the right. Okay, right side, left side. Okay, so this is what we call as collective nouns. Okay, collective noun ni macam like kalau dalam bahasa Melayu tu sekumpulan apa sekumpulan haiwan, for example. Sekumpulan tu adalah collective noun. Like macam sekumpulan budak, for example. So sekumpulan tadi tu, like sorry again. Sekumpulan kanak-kanak. Okey, sekumpulan tadi tu adalah yang kita panggil sebagai collective noun. Okey, collective noun. So kita ada a herd, a flock, a school, a pack, a swarm of. Okey, itu antara yang kita ada lah. Okey, a pack, a swarm of, a school of, a flock of, a herd of. So awak kena pilih sama ada a herd ni untuk siapa? Fish, dolphins, whales. Ikan-ikan, dolphins, ikan lumba-lumba dan juga ikan paus. So untuk ikan-ikan ni, untuk haiwan di laut, kita pakai collective noun siapa? And then kita ada bees, ants. Bees adalah lebah, ants adalah semut. Okay, yang ketiga, birds, sheep and goats. Birds burung, sheep adalah kambing biri-biri, goats adalah kambing lah. Okay, yang keempat, cows, deer, elephant. Okay, ini kategori ni kita panggil apa? Cows, lembu, deer, rusa, elephant adalah gajah. Last sekali, wolves. Okay, wolves adalah saya rasa lebih kepada musang, okay? Like dalam bahasa Melayu, I'm not sure but sometimes we have like rubah and also musang kan? So I'm not sure which one is wolves, okay? Next one, okay, B. Let's proceed with B. Read the sentences and match the phrasal verb in bold and with their meanings. Okay, phrasal verbs. Okay, phrasal verb adalah verb yang memang dia duduk, dia ada dua perkataan. Tapi dia memberi makna, satu makna. Tapi dia dua perkataan. Like macam turn up. For example, like, sorry, okay, saya tulis. Example macam turn up. Okay. So turn up, oh dah ada kat sini. Ataupun kita bagi yang lain. Ataupun lagi actually there's a lot. Like tiba-tiba hari ni my brain tak boleh berfunction tapi saya macam saya lupa. Blackout for example. Okay. Blackout ni dia adalah phrasal verb lah. So dia dua perkataan tetapi memberi makna satu. Okay, so I will give you some of the definition lah. Phrasal verb with ups. Okay, so bold maksudnya yang dihitamkan ni. Ni, yang dihitamkan ni adalah perkataan-perkataan tu. So with their meaning. So meanings dia ada di sini. These are the meaning. So saya bagi meaning dulu. Saya bagi maksud meaning dulu. Stop trying maksudnya berhenti mencuba. Find yourself in a place or situation that you didn't intend or expect to be in. Maksud dia, awak ni berada di tempat atau situasi yang you tak intend, awak tak berniat, awak tak sangka, expect to be. Okay, now C. Finish something so there's none left. Finish something sampai dah tak ada dah. Siap sepenuhnya lah. Appear or arrive. Appear muncul, arrive sampai. Okay, next one. Collect someone who is waiting for you. So maksud dia, pergi ambil orang tu. Like kita jemput orang tu, kita ambil orang tu yang tengah tunggu kita. In your car, dalam kereta awak. Next one, invent something such as a story or an excuse. Invent, kita cipta, kita buatlah, kita create. Kita buat sesuatu such as macam cerita atau alasan. Okay, kita buat cerita ke kita buat alasan. Okay, now let's read. Okay, saya akan bacakan. Number 1, the hiking trip was cancelled because not many people turned up. Okay, the hiking trip. Hiking trip maksudnya satu pendakian punya ekspedisi lah. Was cancelled, dibatalkan because not many people turn up. Okay, saya tak nak bagi makna sebab saya dah bagi makna dekat sini. So awak kena cari yang lain. Next one, saya baca je Number 2, after spending 2 hours trying to find the castle, we just gave up. Okay, now spending 2 hours maksud dia kita luangkan sampai 2 jam dah. And then finding the castle tu adalah istana. Probably dia nak pasal, then we just gave up. Okay, next one. Faye walked all the way around the farm and ended up where she had begun. Okay, I repeat, sorry, saya salah sebut tadi. Faye walked all the way around the farm and ended up where she had begun. So Faye ni nama orang, walk, berjalan around, keliling farm. Okay, ended up where she had begun. Okay, awak kena fikirlah tu. Now, number 4, I made up a story about a wolf that lives in the wood. Okay, wolves adalah serigala tadi tu lah. Atau musang, I'm not really like risau juga ni. Okay, woods adalah hutan. Okay, near our house and my little cousin believed me. So, ada musang dekat rumah saya and my little cousin. Cousin maksudnya sepupu lah. Little, kecil. Believe me, percaya. Next one. Number 5. Dad, can you pick me up from the station at 7 o'clock? Station adalah mungkin stesen, kita tak tahu stesen mana, bus ke, taxi ke, okay. At 7 o'clock, pukul 7. Now, number 6. Don't use up all the milk. We won't have any for breakfast in the morning. Don't use up all the milk. Milk adalah susu. We won't have any for breakfast. Kita takkan ada susu lagi untuk breakfast pada waktu pagi. Okay, now let's continue dengan yang kedua. Tadi kita kata phrasal verb menggunakan up. Sekarang kita phrasal verb yang menggunakan perkataan down. Okay, saya akan bagi definition untuk makna dia dulu. A, relax or make someone relax. Relax lah. Maksudnya atau membuat seorang tu tenang. Okay. Next one. B. Stop working for vehicles or machines. Stop working maksudnya, work maksudnya bekerja kan. So tidak berfungsi untuk vehicles, kenderaan, machine, mesin lah. Okay. Next one. C. Become ill. Menjadi sakit. D. Reduce the size or amount of something. Reduce maksudnya kita kurangkan. The size maksudnya size dia. Or atau amount of something, jumlah sesuatu benda. Next one, E. Refuse and offer. Refuse maksudnya kita menolak, and offer, tawaran. Okay, next one, yang F. Kill an animal because it's old or ill. Maksudnya kita bunuh haiwan disebabkan haiwan tu dah tua ataupun haiwan tu sakit. Now, saya baca ayat-ayat dia. Number 1. Our cat was suffering a lot, so the vet suggested we put her down. Suffering maksudnya menderita. Vet maksudnya veterinary tu. Doktor haiwan lah. Okay. Now, next one. Number 2. Stop shouting. Why don't you calm down and tell me what happened? Berhenti menjerit. Okay. Tell me what happened. Bagi tahu saya apa yang berlaku. berlaku. Now, number 3. Our car broke down just outside the city and we had to wait for the tow truck to come. Tow truck maksudnya kenderaan yang kereta yang tak lori yang tarik kereta tu. Yang kalau kita rosak kat tepi jalan and then dia akan datang and then dia menaikkan kereta kita and then dia akan bawa ke workshop lah. Okay, next one. Number 4. My uncle and aunt invited me to stay at their cottage in the mountains for the weekend. But I turned down their invitation because I had to study. Okay, now uncle and aunt, pakcik dan makcik dia. Invited menjemput. Okay, cottage adalah rumah kecil lah. Biasanya dia berada di kampung-kampung macam tu. Okay, in the mountains, di pergunungan for the weekend. Saya sambung number 5. I've got a terrible headache and my stomach hurts. I think I'm coming down with something. Okay, I got a terrible headache. Terrible maksudnya teruk. Headache sakit kepala and my stomach hurt. Perut saya sakit. Okay, next one, number 6. Simon is trying to cut down on sugar in his diet, but it's very difficult. He just loves chocolate. Okay. Simon ni trying to cut down sugar. Sugar adalah gula in his diet, but it's very difficult, sangat susah. He just loves chocolate. Dia sangat suka chocolate. Okay, so true. Like I'm also like trying to cut down sugar in my daily like daily life, in my diet, but it is quite difficult. Okay, can we proceed with C now? Okay, C now, apa dia kata? Now, apa C ni minta kita buat? C, complete the sentences with the prepositional phrases in the box. Prepositional phrases. Frasa maksudnya dia bukan satu perkataan tetapi dia lebih daripada satu. So, 2, 3, okay? Probably 2 atau 3 lah. Okay, prepositional kedudukan. Okay, preposition. Kita ada part of speech kan? Salah satu part of speech tu adalah preposition. So, prepositional phrases in the box. So, kita dalam box ni, dalam box yang color pink awak ni, dia ada prepositional phrases. Okay. At once, segera. At lost, kita tak tahu, jalan buntu. At least, sekurang-kurangnya. At a later time, masa yang lain, masa lain. Okay. Lambat sikit lah dia kata. At last, akhirnya. At the end, akhir sekali. At first sight, pada pandangan yang pertama. At present, masa sekarang. At the age of, zaman sekarang. Okay. At the beginning, pada permulaannya. At the latest, paling terbaru. Okay. Now, saya akan baca ayat-ayat dia. It took several days, but blank. The scientists found where the eagle's nest was located. It took several days, maksudnya dia mengambil beberapa hari, tetapi saintis, ahli-ahli sains found, berjaya mencari eagle's nest, sarang burung eagle. Eagle adalah eagle. Burung apa eagle? How to say this? Burung eagle. Ayo, I'm so sorry. You guys look for it. I tahu tapi I cannot explain it in bahasa. I'm so sorry. Was located. Okay, eagle punya sarang ni dijumpai. Next one, number 2. When I heard the news, I was blank for words. Bila saya dengar berita itu, I was apa? Perkataan. Okay, next one, number 3. Baby chimpanzees leave their mothers 6. Baby chimpanzee yang baby lagi, leave their mothers. Tinggalkan mak dia. Okay, now number 4. Of the blank of the race, Richard was full of energy, but blank of the race, he was exhausted and almost didn't finish. Okay, full of energy. Race adalah perlumbaan. Full of energy, penuh dengan tenaga. Race lagi, exhausted, penat. And almost didn't finish, sampai mungkinlah tak sempat, sampai tahap macam dia mungkin tak dapat nak finishkan atau habiskan perlumbaan. Okay, number 5. All students should be outside the school gate all students should be outside the school gate at 8:15 a.m. Blank, so we can set off for the countryside. So, semua murid-murid should be outside the school gate. perlu berada luar daripada pagar sekolah pada jam 8.15 pagi. Blank, so we can set off. Set off kita bertolak lah for the countryside untuk ke pendalaman. Okay, next one, number 6. Blank, this looks like a leaf, but if you look closer, you can see it's actually an insect. Okay, dia nampak macam daun, tapi awak bila tengok lagi dekat, sebenarnya dia adalah serangga. Next one, number 7. There aren't any baby elephants in the wildlife park. Blank, but there will be in the future. There aren't any baby elephants. Maksudnya tak ada anak-anak elephant in the wildlife park, taman haiwan-haiwan ni lah, haiwan-haiwan liar ni. But there will be in the future, masa depan ada. Number 8. Come here, blank. Ada exclamation marks. I need to speak to you immediately. Come here, datang sini. Saya nak bercakap dengan awak segera. Okay, next one. Number 9. I can't talk to you right now. Is it okay if we meet blank? Question mark. Okay, I can't talk to you right now. Saya tak boleh bercakap dengan awak. Is it okay if we meet? Boleh tak kalau kita jumpa apa? Okay, number 10. I know I didn't help you make the fire or prepare the meal, but blank. I put up the tents, so stop complaining. Okay, I know I didn't help. Saya tahu saya tidak tolong awak make the fire. Buat api, maksudnya start the fire, start apa orang kata buat unggun api lah mungkin. Or prepare the meal, atau menyediakan makanan. But tetapi I put up the tent. Put up the tent maksudnya kita pasang kemah. So stop complaining, okay? Cukuplah tu, orang kata complain, asyik mengadu je, okay? Tak puas hati lah probably. Okay, I think that's all. Yeah, okay, I think that's all. What I want you to do is, after this, you go to the live worksheet, okay? I'm going to share you the live worksheet link, okay? I'm going to share you the live worksheet link. You go there and try to answer all these questions and see will you get full mark, okay, for this vocabulary task. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for listening. I'll see you again in our next lesson. Thank you so much. Bye. Assalamualaikum.